Hello everyone. RB Singh Palmistry channel welcomes you. Today we'll discuss how by seeing hand we can identify that there is problem in having children and what is their remedy. In some of our previous videos, we discussed children lines and the topic of children in my RB Singh Palmistry channel. After those videos, many viewers ask me questions such as, can we identify from the hand whether a person will face problem in having children? So, in today's video, we will try to understand this topic in more detail. Okay? In this video, we will discuss which sign in the hand may indicate difficulties in having children, and we will also talk about some traditional remedies mentioned in astrology and scripture. Which factor indicates children in palmistry? We will discuss. According to palmistry and astrology, their main area are connected with three main areas connected with children. Three main areas. Which are the three areas? First is Mercury. Means Hindi में we are telling Buddha. And the mount of Mercury. This is Mercury. This is Mercury, and mount of Mercury is this. Mount of Mercury is this. Mercury Dev, माने बुध देव, is connected with this mount. If it is up and there is no bad thing, that means Gurudev, Buddhadev is happy. If it is underdeveloped and signs are not good, signs are not there, in that case Buddhadev is unhappy. So all these things are there. It is for all the mounts, but I am telling about Buddhadev, Buddha mount presently. So for marriage, children point of view, Mercury should be developed. There should not be any bad sign on it. Next important mount is Venus. This Venus. This area. Below this thumb. That is Venus area. Third point is children lines. This is marriage line. This is marriage line. Above perpendicular lines are here. So this is, if it is deep and long, that means it indicates the birth of son. And if it is small and thin, means the birth of girl baby. That means these children are in Mercury and Venus. This is important mount. In astrology, the fifth house of the birth chart is considered the house of children. If the fifth house or the planets connected to it officiated, then the person may face delays or obstacles in having children. Similarly, in palmistry, the mount of Mercury and the mount of Venus, mount of Mercury and mount of Venus, can give important indications about the childbirth. Mercury mount and the little finger, Mercury mount and the little finger, Mercury mount and the little finger, they are playing important role. First, let us talk about the mount of Mercury and the little finger. The little finger has 3 sections. First is this, second is this, third is this. First plane, second and third plane. The first plane indicates intellectual ability of the person. If this part is developed enough state, not twisted, in that case, the person is having intellectual capability. The second, this one. The second plane means this indicates that mentally the person is intelligent. He is having business ability. Okay. The third plane, this one. The third part is physical and practical strength. Okay. Now, one by one we are just, I am telling, regarding first plane I am explaining little more. If the first plane of the little finger is very small, if it is very small, very small, this part, or underdeveloped, okay, it may indicate that the person has weak intellectual balance or weak decision making ability. Okay. However, in practical palmistry observations, it has also been noticed that such people may face difficulty in having children. Especially when the first flange is very small, there are deep horizontal lines on it, horizontal lines like this. There are deep horizontal lines on it, or the flange is poorly developed. In such cases, people often experience delay in children birth. Many times, such couples receive the blessing of children after many years of marriage. Sometimes, even after 8 to 10 years it takes. So, crooked little finger, bend type, bend, suppose this is bent, this finger is bent. If the little finger is bent or crooked and the first flange is also small and it is small, then the indication becomes stronger that the person may face obstacles related to children. If the mount of mercury also contains a net or mesh like pattern, suppose like this. If the mount of mercury is also having net like this, perpendicular and horizontal lines, each other cutting here, mount is underdeveloped, then sometimes it may indicate repeated miscarriage or difficulty in sustaining pregnancy. Now we'll discuss importance of the Venus, this mount. This is most important. Parvat. This is most important mount, Venus. This mount represents vital energy, reproductive strength, passion and attraction, life force. If the Venus mount is flat or pressed down, it may indicate a weak physical vitality and reproductive power. In such situation, a person may experience delay in having children. It shows physical weakness, reproductive health issue. They should take care of their meal, healthy food. This is required for them. If the Venus mount also shows bluish marks or on it, it may indicate that the body's energy and immunity are weakening. So, good food, rich food is most essential for those type of people who is not having or late children or not having children till now after 8 to 10 years of his marriage. So all these things, food is main, he should take care of about his food habits. In palmistry, children lines appears as a small vertical lines near the marriage line. So I am talking about this line. Vertical lines above the marriage line. Thicker and deeper line often associated with a male child. Thin and fine line, fine line. Thin and fine lines often associated with a female child. If these lines are cut or crossed by other lines, then it may indicate obstacles related to childbirth. If in a person's hand you notice several signs together, such as a small first flange of the little finger, crooked little finger, net line on the Mercury mount, net-like lines, then the person may face more challenges related to children. However, it is very important to understand that palmistry only provides indications, not absolute destiny. Understood? With proper medical help, remedies and positive efforts, situation can change and improve. Remedies for what is the remedies for children birth? Now let us talk about some traditional remedies. According to Maharishi Parasara in Brihat Parasar Ora Shastra, certain remedies are suggested for problem related to children. What is that? One of the most important remedies is worship of Lord Vishnu. This is because Mercury is associated with Lord Vishnu. If Mercury is applicated, worshipping Lord Vishnu is believed to reduce its negative effects. Chanting the following mantra regularly is considered beneficial. Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namo Namah. What is that mantra? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namo Namah. Other beneficial practice include chanting the Santan Gopal mantra. Reciting Vishnu Sahasranama, reading the Harivansh Purana. Many people have experienced that sincere worship of Lord Vishnu had helped them receive the blessing of children. Friends, palmistry only gives indication. The most powerful influences in life are your actions. Your actions, your faith, your positive efforts. With sincere efforts and faith in God, even difficult situations even difficult situation can change. Please, if you like this information, you like the video, subscribe to the channel RB Singh Palmistry and share this video with over who may benefit from it. Share the video to others who may benefit from it. Thank you. Namaskar.